And when I take responsibility for myself, when I've manned up, when I've decided to buck up and integrate these methods, it's now been over a year and a half since I've been sick. 18 months. 18 freaking months. That is a personal record for me. And it is one that I am proud of. It is one that I am extremely grateful for. And it's because of all of these methods. And by realizing that how I feel will color and shape my life and my day and my minute, and that I can choose to feel good, that I can choose to activate it when I want, that I can maintain happiness throughout the day, that when the going gets tough, I decide how I feel. When the world starts to turn and when things start to get a little chaotic, I can create order. I can feel good and not let that shake me, not let my foundations be shook. Just because things are getting hard, I can have a positive, strong, and resilient look at my life. Not a delusional, overly optimistic, oh, I'm just going to put stuff on my vision board and it's all going to come true. There's a healthy version of me just waiting to happen. No, it's I'm going to take the bull by the horns. I'm going to get in there, get on that bull, I'm going to ride that thing, and I'm going to get my health to where I want it to be. And that's where I am today. So if you're wondering, Jordan, how can I get my health? I've heard you talk about all these things. What can I do to start managing my state? The first thing is to decide once and for all that what you experience on the inside will be your choice. And that while anxiety may pass through you, while sadness and anger and depression may pass through you, you can watch it, you can observe it, and then you can move past it. You first heal, then you uplift, and you empower yourself with that healing, inner, uplifting light. It's a cycle, it's a circle. And when the going gets tough, you must decide that it is your body, it is your life, and you can be healthy. You can heal yourself once and for all. So with state management, the best people who I recommend are me and Jim, of course. But my biggest mentor and inspiration for state management has been Tony Robbins, hands down. And I completely recommend looking into Unleash the Giant Within, or Awaken the Giant Within, Unlimited Power, all these series and tapes that he has. They are state management at its core. And of course, my forthcoming system, Life Feedback, it's a psychological and spiritual state management system. And I promise to be revealing some amazing things in the spirituality section and psychology section. But for now, what you can take away is that if you can wake up each day reminding yourself gratitude and mission, what you're here to do, and by golly, thank God that I'm here to do it, that's where you start. So again, these 5 steps, let's see what we got here. We got sleeping and resting for 7.5 to 9 hours a night. We've got elimination of things like tobacco, things like alcohol, things like sugar and bread and maybe coffee. Then we've got exposure to extremes, hot and cold therapies, showers, cold baths, hot saunas, hot steam rooms, and things of that nature. And then we've got fasting mimicking, and to wrap it all up, we have state management. So these 5 steps, these 5 methods are what I've used to transform my health. And now I haven't been sick the longest period of time in my life. In my young adulthood, I'm going to be 30 in the next few years, and I'm ready to tackle this period of my life with extreme and extraordinary health and wellness, and I'm ready to share it, ready to share what I've learned, ready to give back the health to the world. You are a healthy soul waiting to emerge from a world of negativity and sickness. You are a healthy, conscious being, and you now have been healed, uplifted, and empowered. Thank you for joining me. It's Jordan again from Without Bounds. This is your Hue Club, and I'll hue you later.